Alright, we're back out here, and if I'm going to daily this and tell the gambler, I figured I would do some basic preventative maintenance. So for one, we're going to change the oil tonight. And from what I understand, this will be the oil filter. Looks like someone has gnawed on that before, probably with the crescent wrench. And then I'll get under it, pull the drain plug, drain the oil out. And when I got this, they said it had a pretty bad power steering leak. But I've been putting in the power steering leak with power steering fluid with stop leak, excuse me. But yeah, so it's actually lessening up, so maybe I'll try Lucas in there this time when it gets low again and see if that'll help out. But let me grab a wrench. I don't know if 25 is the... Let me grab a wrench and we'll see if we can get that off. So the biggest wrench I have is a 6, and it's nowhere near big enough. So maybe I'll bust this guy out. I had to buy this once on a trip to Copart to change my hitch receiver ball. Had to flip it upside down. Had to buy this guy at Walmart. This should do the trick. And just like that. Okay, a little more than I thought. There we go. Alright, I'm going to need 2 hands for this guy. So I'm going to grab 2 hands and some rags. Might make a mess. Okay, we get the oil filter out, and if you crawl under the passenger side of the car... Wonderful. Where's my light? If you crawl under the passenger side of the car, the oil pan is right there. 17mm bolt. And let all the oil drain out. And once it's drained out, put the plug back in it. And we'll fill it back up and put the new oil filter in, tighten that down, and that part of it is done. Okay, now that we got the oil change, we'll attempt to reset the service interval. Shoot, I won't be able to do this one-handed. But essentially what you do is, from what I've read, you press and hold the reset button, turn the ignition to accessory, and once the ignition is an accessory, you continue holding that until you enter the menu for the service interval. So I'll put the phone down real quick. I'll hold the button, then I'll click it on and see if I can pick my phone back up with 2 hands and a knife to start my car. Let's try this. Okay, holding. Maybe. Oh, well, it's crap. There went my mileage. I don't know what test means. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm sure this is a menu, but I don't know what it means. I'm gonna try it again. Hold on. So actually my car is not new enough to do it that way. From what I just read, I have to cross these 2 points, and then I'm going to go turn my key on and count to 10 seconds, and supposedly that will do the trick. So let's see. So you turn the key to the number 2 position this time, not the 1. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That didn't change. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, let's go and hook it. See what happens. Hopefully those did the trick. I might have to actually put a piece of wire in it. Someone said needle nose pliers work. Alright. Let's see if we got green lights. Sure don't. Son of a... Alright. Let's try a wire.